Hey there, my name's Aaron. I am the CRO of Umbrella, and today I'm going to talk about how to create a buyer persona in 4 simple steps. Understanding your audience is the foundation of great marketing. And what's the best way to do that? Create a detailed buyer persona. Let's break it down step by step, okay? Step one, you're going to want to identify your audience. Start with demographics, your age, location, income, even job role, okay? For example, one of our Umbrella members working with a SaaS startup used surveys to learn their target audience was primarily mid-level IT managers in urban areas. By defining who they were targeting, they crafted messaging that resonated deeply with their audience. Okay. Step two, understand their pain points. Now, this is extremely important. What keeps your audience up at night? What problems do they need solved? A member working with an online education platform discovered that their audience, busy parents, struggled to find flexible learning options. Addressing that pain point in their marketing increased signups by 40%. That is massive. So you can see the importance there. Step three, explore their goals and desires. Think about what success looks like for your audience. A marketer working with a health and wellness brand realized that their customers weren't just looking for fitness products, they wanted a lifestyle transformation. So, positioning their products as tools for that transformation tripled their conversions. Tripled their conversions. Okay. Again, a massive key ingredient to this entire overview here. Now, step four, create a persona profile. You want to bring it all together. Okay. Give your persona a name like Tech Savvy or Tina or Fitness Fanatic Frank. Include their demographics, their pain points, their goals, and preferred communication channels. This makes it easier to design campaigns that speak directly to your ideal customer. So start building buyer personas today. Buyer personas, they're not just a tool, okay? They're a roadmap to connect with your audience. So take the time to create them, and you'll see stronger engagement and much, much better results. What's your biggest audience challenge? A challenge. What's your biggest audience challenge? I want you to think about that for a second. Have you built a buyer persona before? What challenges did you face? Let us know in the comments, okay? And remember, understanding your audience is the very first step towards meaningful marketing.